Lo siento. Hey guys, come spend the day with me in San Jose, Costa Rica. So first we got an Uber and we head to the city center and we're going to get some fruit juice. First you have to refresh the body, hydrate. So we're getting passion. And I'm getting mango. Mango, okay. Mango? Okay, thank you. A mango. And we got pineapple and we got guava. So I was a big skeptic about the use of ice or regular tap water because I'm easily to get sick. It's easy for me to get sick. But strange enough, I did not get sick from this lovely, lovely, lovely refreshing cup of fruit juice. So that's a point to know. When he gives you millions and millions. And we got it for 1 meal and we mixed the fruits like we had passion, pineapple and so on. Okay, so we're in the market. I have fruit juice.
It's freezing.
Lo siento. Napkin. Thank you. Gracias. Hey, look at you using the Spanish. Here it is. As in potatoes. Me. Corn. One thing I will say about the empanadas is that they were a bit oily, but otherwise from that, really good. Passion fruit, guava, pineapple, mango, peach, and what else? Juice, really good, 10 out of 10. Let's move on to the next stop in the next video.